The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Comprehension questions. What animals does the shepherd boy tend near a dark forest? Is it A, cows, B, goats, C, sheep? Question number 2. Who is the main character in this story? A villager, B, the shepherd boy, or C, the shepherd boy's master? Read these sentences about the shepherd boy from the text. One day, as he sat watching the sheep and the quiet forest and thinking what he would do should he see a wolf, he thought of a plan to amuse himself. His master had told him to call for help should a wolf attack the flock, and the villagers would drive it away. So now, though he had not seen anything that even looked like a wolf, he ran towards the village, shouting at the top of his voice, "Woof, woof." Based on this evidence, what is the shepherd boy's plan? Is it A, to trick the villagers by pretending a wolf has come? Is it B, to trick the sheep by pretending a wolf has come? Is it C, to trick a wolf by pretending the villagers have come? So based on this evidence, what is the shepherd boy's plan? You can pause at any moment if you need more time. How do the villagers feel about being tricked? Is it A, they enjoy being tricked? B, they do not mind being tricked? Or is it C, they dislike being tricked? So how do the villagers feel about being tricked? What is the theme, the message of this story? Is it A, sometimes telling a lie can be kinder than telling the truth? Is it B, the only time telling a lie is okay is when you are in danger? Or the message is C, if you tell lies, people will not believe you when you tell the truth. Question number 6. Read the sentence from the text. Then one evening, as the sun was setting behind the forest and the shadows were creeping out over the pasture, a wolf really did spring from the underbrush and fall upon the sheep. What phrase in this sentence helps you create a mood of fear? Was it A, as the sun, B, shadows were creeping out, or C, over the pasture? Question number 7. Read these sentences from the text. In terror, the boy ran towards the village shouting, "Wolf, wolf!" But though the villagers heard the cry, they did not run to help him as they had before. "He cannot fool us again," they said. What phrase could replace "but though" in the second sentence without changing the sentence's meaning? Could it be even though, but so, but because? Okay. In terror, the boy ran towards the village shouting, "Woof, woof." But though the villagers heard the cry, they did not run to help him as they had before. He cannot fool us again, they said. Okay. So what phrase could replace but though here? But though. Describe the response of the villagers the third time the boy shouts woof woof. What does the wolf do to many of the boy's sheep? How might the boy be feeling at the end of the story? Support your answer with evidence from the text.